Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This Kombi is a used 20 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the Kombi, carried out by one of our expert technicians. To the front of the Kombi, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. You'll also notice it's fitted with a dark grey front bumper. In the centre grille, you will notice two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Kombi again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch steel wheels. Also in the centre of the wheel, you will notice VW centre covers. This Kombi is fitted with heated mirrors for cold winter months. You'll also notice that the mirror caps and handles are black. This Kombi is also fitted with a near side sliding door. Inside the sliding door, you will notice tinted glass with a sliding window. The sliding window is handy for the rear passengers for extra ventilation. To the back of the Kombi, you will notice 3 comfortable seats. You'll also notice fitted with Isofix anchorage points on the outer seats. Here we have a bulkhead with a window. Here we have some more extra ventilation for the rear passengers. To the back of the Kombi, you will notice that it's fitted with rear barn doors without window. You'll also notice this Kombi is fitted with dark black bumpers. It's also fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a transporter badge and the VW emblem on the doors. The rear load area has been wood ply-lined on both sides to help protect the paintwork. Moving across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both doors are fitted with this door catch, and this is the advantage of the door catch. This Kombi is painted in Reflex silver. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors are fitted with some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Kombi is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in fabric cloth. You'll also notice that the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This now ends my walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also the centre media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Moving down here, you will notice a headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice media controls. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 32,841 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. I'm now going into the audio section, so I can show you that you can change radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has App Connect, which will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps. My personal favourites are Waze and also the music app on my phone. Moving down from the media screen, you will notice heater controls. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 20 plate Kombi, please call 0121 5140632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the Transporter. The salesperson will also be able to book you a test drive. They'll also be able to talk to you about the flexible finance options available if needed. And thank you for watching.